Okay.
Good afternoon, and we're here just admiring the windows after they've got done with Zen Windows. We have already had a possibility of a contract with another company, and they weren't truthful in what they were going to charge us for it. We contacted Zen and talked to Dennis. He sent us some videos. We agreed on how many windows to put in, and he was kind enough to send us some literature. And with that, we actually had all of the windows put in our house. We had 23 windows put in, and it saved us somewhere in the vicinity of $8,000 over the other company that we were happy to save in the windows. They've been in about 2 weeks now. They are just wonderful windows. I have had the opportunity to open one so far this morning. We haven't opened them too much because of the cold and snow, but the one slipped its lid wide open instantly.
And they're beautiful. This window here opened up, and it's my favorite. I love it.
Get to see out more?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
It was a double hung before, and it is now a slider.
Uh-huh. And how about the crew? Cleanup and everything. They treat your house good?
You couldn't ask for a nicer crew. They come in with the runners and they cover up all of the carpet. They pick up virtually everything that they can see, and they do a nice cleanup job.
They're so nice. I mean, it's like having family come in. That's the best part.
Okay, you trust them, right?
Yes.
Good. Thank you.